If you have a US Craftmaster water heater and you can't get the pilot light lit or stay lit, try this before you call a serviceman. Or a Honeywell gas regulator, do this. If you notice this light is not flashing, see that light flashing? If it's not flashing, your error codes are right there. But if it's not flashing, go under your water heater and find that right there. And in between those two little wires, there's a little tiny, about the size of a pencil lead sticking out. You want to push that in very gently with your finger. And when you push that in, that's resetting that sensor. Then you can come back and turn this to pilot, turn it clockwise to pilot, push it in and hold it, and then hit your igniter button right there and hold that button in till your light till that light flashes. And then once that light flashes, then you can go ahead and turn this clockwise to hot, and you should have hot water then. This water heater is notorious for repairmen coming and spending an hour, and all they're going to do is push that reset button or try and upsell you a new water heater, tell you it's shot, or tell you that that valve body is shot and needs to be replaced. Or they're going to tell you they rebuilt it, the insides, and all they do is they push that little button in. And just think how much that would cost on a weekend. I'm sorry I can't get a better video, but this thing is actually inside a closet, believe it or not. But there you go, guys. I fixed a lot of them like that. When I hear that it's a US Craftmaster, all you got to do is hit that temperature sensor. I think what happens is people use too much hot water or several hot showers, one right after the other, and they trip it. And all you need to do is hit that reset button, and then you're good to go. Actually, right there, you will see there's two wires going to that sensor. And in between those wires, there's a little tiny, it's about the thickness of a pencil lead sticking out, like a mechanical pencil lead sticking out. And if you just push in on that with your finger, don't push real hard, but just push it just a little bit, you'll feel it go in. That's the reset button. Then you can come back and you're going to turn that knob to pilot, and you're going to push in on it, and then you're going to push the igniter. While you're holding this button in, you want to push this igniter, and you'll hear it ignite, and you hold this button in till you see that light start flashing there. You hold it till you see that light flash like that. Once you see that light flash, then you can continue to turn that knob clockwise to hot. But to get this pilot light started, you must push and hold this button in right there. And if you do that and it starts, you just saved yourself a couple $100 in a service call.